What's up, beautiful? Welcome back to the channel. Ari here. So yeah, we're going to be talking about how you can stay fresh and cool in the scorching hot weather. Now, I want to tell you about me. I work a blue collar job. I work for paint, so that means I have to wear a very hot paint suit, covered from neck all the way down to my feet, and clothes up under that suit that are required by the company, as well as a hat. And then I got a lot of hair on my head. And you guys, the temperature is always around 78 up in there. I'm not gonna lie. It is hot. My suit is wet. It's almost debilitating. So to stay odor free, you got to be on your game. You hear me? So let's talk about some of the things that I do. Okay, so let's just start off by saying, for me, I don't know about you guys, but my body needs to be hair free. I don't need to have hair on my body if I'm sweating because it absorbs odor. It causes more odor. I don't know. It just does not work. Hair and sweat and odor does not work together. You have to get rid of the hair. So personally, I make sure that I either use Nair or I'll go in with a razor. I use the Sierra. It has 5 blades. I don't get cut as much. I really prefer this. I just have to shave my whole body. Make sure that I'm hair free. That is to me the first step in making sure that you don't have odor. You have to be hair free. And that's me. I cannot have the hair. I have to get rid of it. So next step is I always use a washcloth and a bar of soap. Preferably for me, I use Dove. Dove does not cause any friction, any problems with my skin, any intimate areas. I don't have issues with that. I use Dove soap. I prefer the white bar or the pink. I've been using this cherry. Love the cherry. This works great for me. I usually use this on my body. I go in with almost 3 washes. I take a shower twice a day, or I take 2 baths a day, or I take 1 shower, 1 bath. It doesn't matter, but I'm bathing twice a day before work as well as after work. So I make sure I'm hair free, and I go in with a bar soap first and a washcloth. Make sure that I'm totally clean. I scrub all over my body, back, neck, everything. And when I'm really sweaty, I'll just wet my hair and put a good smelling conditioner in and just leave it. I don't actually wash it, but I'll just use a good conditioner and put my hair back and just let it dry, and just make sure it's conditioned really well. I don't leave the conditioner in there because it causes damage to your hair. To me, I can't just leave conditioner in overnight. My hair gets like overly conditioned. So I'll just usually just put a conditioner, good smelling conditioner, and just rinse it out and let it go. So yeah, you have to make sure your hair is clean and your body is clean as well with soap. Now for my intimate areas, I always use either Honey Pot, and I actually prefer this one that I got from Dollar Tree, and this is the Feminine Coconut Creamy wash for the intimate area. This works so good, you guys. Just use something that's going to keep your pH balanced. Keep your pH balanced. You don't want your pH off balance. That's where you're going to have problems. It's going to cause major problems. So this works well for me. And even if I didn't have these, just using the Dove alone would be perfect for me. So next step after that, I will go in with a body wash. Method, I have all the different forms of Method. I have Dove body wash, so I use a bar soap, and then I'll use another body wash. I can use this body wash on my intimate area as well. So I'm doing a thorough cleansing at least twice a day. I have to thorough cleansing to make sure that I don't have any odor and I'm free, and I can feel confident. Even though I'm sweaty and sweating, I know that I'm clean, and it's a confidence there. And so on top of that, if I want to go in with a Bath and Body Works shower gel, you can do that also. I'll do that. Some people just may want to use the bar soap once and then go in with a Bath and Body Works shower gel, but I'll do a body wash, and then I'll use I'll use the Bath and Body Works shower gel on top of that. So I actually have like 3 washes, and that's twice a day, just to make sure, you guys, just to make sure I'm good. So the next thing that I have been loving, you guys, you have to have a good deodorant. I know that aluminum free is best. I know that. But I can't find an aluminum free deodorant that is going to take me through the day with all of the sweat and the stress sweat. If you have stress sweat, it's different from sweat. And so my job is very stressful. So sometimes I stress from that sweat from the stress. That's a different kind of sweat. It's a stronger sweat. So that's why you have to make sure you're clean. And then on top of that, I've learned to use this unlimited. It's by Degree. And this is Smart Adapt because it reacts to stress sweat, which is amazing. And this scent is so good. I'm almost out of it. I've got to get another one. Y'all, this deodorant and stuff is so high. It's like $7 for this little can, but it does work well. So I usually get 2 whenever I purchase these. And you know, I used to go to TJ Maxx and get my Dove spray or any other body sprays, but I haven't seen this one. This was fairly new, but it's really, really good. It adapts to stress. So I recommend one of these. Works so good. Now, I also learned this from a coworker. My coworkers, my female coworkers use, yes, Old Spice. But this stuff is the truth. Old Spice is the truth. Okay, so this one is Fiji, and it has a palm tree in it, but lasts all night. And it smells so good. It's clean. And it goes well with my tropical scented body mist and body wash. It goes really well. It gives island, you know. It's called Fiji. Nothing offensive at all about it. And it smells good, undetectable, and it carries me through the night. That's all I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to get through the night without stinking, okay? The next one is Oasis, you guys. This one has vanilla. Who knew that you could get a man's deodorant with vanilla? Look at it. Vanilla notes. And I love this one. It smells really, really good. Very efficient. Works super well. Gets me through the night without any issues. So these I totally recommend. If you're female and you're working a blue collar job, you're having issues with sweating, it's a lot of us out there. You know, it's a lot of us out there that we're putting in some work and we need a little help. So this is what I do, you guys. It really does help me. Now, during the night, I also keep these towelettes in my bag. I have a backpack, a goodie backpack with anything that I may need personally for the night. And I keep my wipes. I also keep other personal wipes, but these are for like, now I have to say, doing this, what I'm doing, I don't need this, but sometimes I just want to feel fresher. And like if I have to go somewhere after work and I just want to freshen up, you know, I'll just carry a deodorant. I'll take these wipes and, you know, just wipe under my arms or in the important areas and use my deodorant. Now, my deodorant, I'm going to be honest with you, as a female, anywhere that you retain odor, put this. If it's under your arms, if it's under your chest, if it's down below, put this wherever you have an odor. If it's just on the outside area, perimeter, it's going to work for you, okay? Works really good. So besides that, I also keep face mist. This is so refreshing. They are so refreshing to me. So this is Rosewater Aloe. I got this at the Dollar Tree. And this, you just spray it like on your face when you're hot. And it just refreshes you. It feels so good. Love this stuff. Love it. I also have a rose water. Love this. Just spritz it. Just a spritz. Now, I don't like the spray on this one because now my makeup is probably messed up. I don't like the spray on this one, but I love the rose water. Love it. I prefer the mister on this one. This one works better. This is the one I usually take to work. Now to think about it, I usually use this one at home, but this is my rose water. I do love it. And I also use this one, and this is another rose water mist, just to refresh. Rose, anything with rose water, just spray it on your face. It just really cools you down, calms you down, and it feels good. It's a refresher, just a refresher. Next thing I do, I keep me a body mist. Now I usually use the body mist of the day. Whatever I'm using that day, I keep it in my bag. I keep it in my bag, and I refresh myself with my body mist. So another thing that I do is after I wash my hands, I always go in with a hand sanitizer. I just like the way it refreshes. And I usually, it just smells really good. It just smells so good and it's lively. It refreshes me. Go in with the hand sanitizer and I top it with a lotion. I try to get something that matches any kind of lotion. This is just a hemp, blackberry, and lemongrass. Any kind of lotion. I try to every day. I get a body mist to spray, and I get the matching lotion, and I get a hand sanitizer. They kind of go together, and so I just spritz myself. So at the end of the day, when I take off my suit and I'm sweaty and I've got to walk to the car, I go ahead and spritz myself down just to get home. I'm only sweaty. I'm not like musty. I'm just sweaty. So I spray myself down. So when I'm walking out, I feel refreshed. It just still gives me that womanly feeling, even though I know I've been through a rough day. It refreshes me. Just try it. Just try it. Spray yourself down so on your way to the car, you smelling good. You just feel fresh until you can get home and get that bath and get showered down. So there's other things I've been doing. I keep a neck fan at work just to keep me cool. Because I'm telling you, it's hot. It's hot. We need some help around here, okay? And in Alabama, y'all know it's real hot down here. So just make sure that, like I said, first that you're hair free. And you're going to have to kind of scrub a few times just to make sure that you're clean. And you want gentle cleansers. And on top of that, once you're really clean, you have to moisturize your body really well. I've been preferring to use on my body these lightweight gels to moisturize my skin instead of a heavy lotion, because to me, sometimes heavy lotions seem to suffocate my body. So I'll use maybe like the Bath and Body Works on my hands, and on my body I'll use a lightweight, very light gel moisturizer all over my body, so it's not as heavy and it doesn't suffocate my body. It's much lighter, and when you're sweating, it's just not so much. Lotion can be a lot at times, so can oil, but that seems to help me as well. So like I said, make sure that you're hair free, that you're giving yourself 2 or 3 good scrubs, you're using a good deodorant, keep you some washcloths just to freshen up, and keep you a good mist, hand sanitizer and lotion, just to top it off. Just to top it off until you can get home and bathe and shower again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it helps someone who may need this. And yeah, leave me some comments down below. Let me know how you stay fresh to beat this hot weather. And hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Take care.